we are highly worried on what is happening. The pupils behind there do perform, but due to deterioration in number and performance of the secondary school, they don't allow, they have negative attitudes, both the pupils and the parents, in joining the high school around them. So kindly the board and the administration to come out and share with us the main problem why this is happening. The school was mainly constructed to help the vulnerable persons around here, and now they are worried because there is full transition according to policy of education. They are worried on what they are going to do and how they are going to proceed to these far schools that they can't make. So kindly administration and the board to come out as fast as possible to let us know the main problem.
Wakati tulianza tulikuwa na lengo kwamba watoto wetu ambao walikuwa wametoka kwa primary wanaingia kwa bodaboda, wasiingie kwa bodaboda, waende kwa secondary hapa wasome wapate kitu. Na wakati tulianza tuliona matokeo mazuri. Kwa ajili hiyo mwaka zote hakuna watoto walikuwa wanaenda kwa bodaboda, wanaingia kwa secondary. Na kwa muda ambao tumekaa tuliona mafanikio mzuri kutoka kwa shule. Kuna watu ambao tulitoka walienda university tukiwa na mwalimu Deleto Gola, lakini tangu tuingie Ombere, mwalimu Ombere wakati aliingia hilo watoto walipata peke yake, ndio aliingia, alipata form 4, wao ndio walipeleka university.
We've also realized that since the electricity was cut from this school, there's not been that thorough learning in the institution. And also, there's also wrangles here and there between the board and the school. And that has also, we've also highlighted as one of the challenges that has faced this school. So today we are here to report to him that the performance of this school has continued to deteriorate. So as a community, we are here to tell the nation what is happening about this school, Godquach. And from here, we want to march up to education officers, the sub-county, to present a petition from the community about our concern to this school. We want to get a way forward and timelines on how we can bring together the management of this school plus the board and have a meeting with them as a community so that they tell us what is happening.